Hey everybody, it's Meteor Pegasus, and today we're going to take a look at the Hexa Weird Tales Nightstalker version model kit by Kotobukiya. We can see them closer up here, the original red and white version, and the Nightstalker version, which is a dark blue that also has these silver pieces here. The original here has the red pieces, and the Nightstalker version has both silver as well as the red version of these pieces. You can see here is one of the pieces, so you can switch those out, and I'll show some of that in a second here. Here's the spruce that you can get the pieces from. So it covers right here. You can see the red pieces can be switched out from the legs as well as the tail. So here I switched out most of the pieces, and you can get an idea of how it looks. I didn't switch out the legs. They're a hassle to take apart. The other pieces are fairly easy to take out and put back in. But here's one of the legs there, the bottom portion of the leg. So you can make that red as well. So here's the original release with the silver parts placed on it, just in case anyone wanted to see what that looks like. Yeah, it looks a little, doesn't quite pop as much as the red pieces do, but it could be maybe like a powered down form of this mechanical animal. So here's some of the articulation. You can see the red pieces move, as well as the ears have some articulation there, maybe to create some expression. The jaw moves, but I don't think I showed it. Here's the neck, has two joints, one at the bottom, and then it has the ball joint up by the jaw area. So that's a decent articulation. Turning it to the side does become a problem because there's pieces that are in the way. You can see this also opens up. It's meant to be a mech for smaller figures. I believe the scale is 1/24, and this goes with the other Hexa figures. They have small figures, and there I was just showing that the cockpit seat has some pieces that are red in the original, and then you can also have the silver version in this one. There's the pedals down there, and there's also the handles to hold on to. And you can just fold it back up like that. Then there's there's lots of little pieces that can move, like the shoulder pads there, and then the front legs have this articulation. They go forward, back, and out. They also bend there, only forward. They don't bend backwards on that joint. And then the hind legs have this hinge there, and then they also have one at about the knee area, I think is what you would call it. And then you have the hip as well, forward, back, and or front, back, and also out. And it goes out that far. And then the tail has some articulation there, and the red pieces also can be moved around. You can create some interesting designs with the three prongs of the tails there. The height is about 6 inches from bottom to top, and then the length is about 11 inches from the tail to the snout. A little under, looks like a little under 11 inches. It's pretty big. And here's some comparisons. Here's EVA Unit 1, Robot Spirits. Here is EVA Unit 2. This is the Kotobukiya Model Kit TV version. Then we have Nendroid 02. I was trying to think of robot themes here. I wasn't sure what to compare it to. Here's a Figma Little Armory Toyosaki Ena, and her weapon there I just showed, or her weapon that she's holding is this one right here, just in case you are interested. And here's a mobile movement test figure that was also a model kit. And here is a Bandai Spirits Tachikoma from Ghost in the Shell. And the reason I got this figure was to go with my GN Project Wolf figures by Snail Shell.